Hey, this is Amanda from River City Belle. I'm going to show you how to make DIY hot chocolate bombs today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have melted the chocolates 30 seconds at each microwaved option, and then you're going to start to fill the mold with your chocolate. You're going to want to fill up until the fill line, being careful not to overfill. Remember, with chocolate, we can always take away, but we can't add back. Now for this project, I actually used a 3-piece mold. And with that 3-piece mold, there's a silicone piece that I was able to push down into each of these circles, as you can see that I'm doing here. Now as you do this, you want to make sure that you get to the top of the cup. This is going to make sure that each of your shells easily fit into each other to create that nice circular look that you're looking for in a hot chocolate bomb. You want to pad down in there and make sure that you have all the crevices covered and that it looks like a nice firm shell. Once you do this, you're going to put the top on in there and press hard. Then you're going to let that sit in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. I used Merkins for this project, and the Merkins really sat well after 10 minutes. You're going to carefully pull out the silicone piece, making sure not to crack your shell, and you're going to see just how easy this is these next few times. If for some reason you overfill your cup, you can simply pull away and cut. So you can see that I had a little excess there that actually popped off, but sometimes I've had to clip it with a knife. So you're going to take 2. I'm not sure why my mold has 3, but you're going to use this pan that I had heated at 250 for about 10 minutes to melt the tops of each of your shells. This is going to allow you to create a seal. It's not a perfect process, and you're probably going to have to use some excess chocolates to create that final seal on your bomb. But this does help create the initial seal. You can see it kind of melting there on the pan. Next, you're going to fill one side of the shell with just a little bit of hot cocoa and some marshmallows. I added some sprinkles because who doesn't love sprinkles? Made them a little extra Christmassy for me. Now you're going to want to fit the bombs together to create that sphere. Next, we're going to decorate. So this is just some melted chocolate that I put in this tube, and I'm just drizzling across. A little messy, but it looks great. And I did it on both. Again, added some sprinkles because, in my world, there's never enough. And there's your finished product.